how to transfer TikTok drafts to new phone. So if you want to transfer your TikTok drafts to your new phone, then first open up your TikTok. And let me tell you one thing, that you can't directly transfer TikTok drafts to your new phone, but instead of that, what you can do is you can simply go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go with your draft. So I don't have any draft right here. I'll be just posting a draft. So once you have your draft, now what you need to do is simply open up your draft. Once you've opened, you just need to simply go with next, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then you can go with the everyone can view this post and tap on only you. And once you've done that to your private, then you can simply go and post and then post video. Once you've posted the video to your private section, now you just need to simply go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the private, and here you will have your video. So from here you'll be able to save that video to your gallery on your new phone. So in this way, you'll be able to transfer your TikTok drafts to your new phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.